Last month, I told a creator group I was making a full music video using only AI, and most people said it wouldn't work because the characters wouldn't stay consistent, and it would feel soulless. Well, I just finished my third music video this week, and those same people are now asking me how I did it. In this video, I'm showing you the exact workflow I use to create music videos that look professionally shot. You'll see how to build a character that stays identical across every frame, generate cinematic scenes, and animate everything so it looks natural. If you skip learning this, you'll either keep paying hundreds for video production or create content that looks obviously AI generated. Let's get into it. Before we get into the visuals, we need actual audio to work with. The workflow I'll show you works with literally any song, whether it's your own music, a licensed track, or an AI-generated song. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to start from scratch by making a song in Suno AI. So let's head to Suno. Once you're on the homepage, click Create. This is where you describe exactly what kind of song you want. I've learned that being specific about the mood and energy makes a huge difference in how well your visuals will match later. I'm going with something like uplifting indie rock with powerful female vocals, energetic guitar riffs, anthemic chorus, confident and rebellious vibe, modern alternative sound. Hit Create and Suno gives you two versions. Listen to both and pick whichever one feels right. I'm choosing this one because the energy in the chorus is exactly what I need for the scenes I have planned. Once you download it, we're ready to move on. Building your consistent character. This is the part where everyone told me it wouldn't work. They said there's no way to keep a character looking the same across multiple scenes. But I found a way to solve this problem for good. The tool I'm using for this is called OpenArt. If you didn't know, OpenArt is an all-in-one platform that gives you access to all the newest image and video generators without having to pay for 5 different subscriptions. Once you're logged in, click on Image on the left side, then click Create Image. Switch to the Nano Banana Pro model because it creates the most detailed and realistic results. Now I'm writing a detailed prompt for my character. The more specific you are here, the better your consistency will be later. I'm typing confident young woman with shoulder-length purple hair with subtle highlights, piercing green eyes, wearing a burgundy leather jacket over a cream-colored band tee, natural smile, warm golden hour lighting, editorial photography style. Make sure Auto Enhance is turned on, then click Create. OpenArt will generate a few different images. Look through them and pick the one that matches your vision best. Now you need to upscale this image. Click on your image, hit Upscale, and select Refined Upscale. This is important because this upscaled version becomes the foundation for everything else. Once that's done, we're using the Camera Angle Control feature. Click on Camera Angle Control from the Image section and upload your upscaled image. Instead of writing complicated prompts for different angles, you just use the controls. I'm going to create 3 additional angles to support our base image. First, I'll use the close-up option to get a detailed shot of her face. This helps the model really understand her facial features. Then I'll create a wide angle for a full body view. And finally, I'll generate a rear view so the model knows what she looks like from behind. Download all 4 images and then head over to the Character section on the left and click Create Character. Then select Start with Image. Upload your main upscaled image as the primary reference, and then upload the additional angles we created. Then click Build My Character. This takes a few minutes, but what's happening is OpenArt is analyzing your image and building a dedicated model. Once it finishes, you'll see 4 preview images showing the front view, close-up view, full body view, and back view that the model generated. If you're happy with how these look, click Looks Good. If not, you can regenerate any of them. Give your character a name. I'm calling mine Raven. Once you confirm, your character is ready. When we generate scenes later, Raven will look identical every single time. Making consistent characters has always been a problem with AI, but OpenArt solves that problem completely. Now we'll get into the actual visuals. So try to follow along with me using the link in the description to sign up to OpenArt, creating your cinematic scenes. Now that Raven is built, we can start creating the actual scenes for the music video. Click on your character, then you can see the prompt box. For my first scene, I want something that matches the energetic, confident vibe of the song. Make sure you switch the aspect ratio to Cinema 16:9. My prompt is Raven standing in an underground subway station with colorful graffiti-covered walls, neon lights reflecting off wet concrete floors, wearing her burgundy leather jacket, purple hair catching the vibrant lighting, urban gritty atmosphere shot from a low angle. Click Create. The lighting is dramatic, the composition is cinematic, and most importantly, Raven looks exactly like our character model. For Scene 2, I want a completely different location, but the same character. My prompt is Raven on a fire escape at dusk overlooking the city. String lights and neon signs glowing in the background, purple hair blowing in the wind, golden and pink sunset sky, moody urban atmosphere shot from behind and slightly to the side. Generate it, and once again, perfect consistency. Raven looks exactly the same, but in a totally different environment. I'll speed this up, but the process is identical. I'm creating about 7 scenes, and each one captures a different moment that matches different parts of the song. You can keep going with as many scenes as you need for your project. The character stays consistent no matter what scenario you put them in, bringing your scenes to life. Now we get to my favorite part where we make those scenes come to life. Click on Video in the left menu. Make sure you're in Image to Video and select Video 3.1 as your model. Upload your first image and set duration to 6 seconds. Now write your video prompt. This is where you describe the motion and camera movement. I'm typing, Raven stands confidently in the subway station, her purple hair and jacket moving gently as a train passes by creating wind. Neon lights flicker and reflect off the wet floor. Camera slowly pushes in toward her. Gritty cinematic movement. Hit Create. When it finishes, watch how natural the motion is. Her hair moves realistically, the lighting stays warm and inviting, and the camera angle creates that cinematic feel. For Scene 2, upload the fire escape image. My video prompt is, Raven leans on the fire escape railing, looking out at the city. Wind blows through her purple hair. She turns her head slightly to look over her shoulder at the camera. Neon signs glow brighter as the sky darkens. Smooth, atmospheric movement. You can see that even when we test it from different perspectives, Raven still looks the same and cinematic. Keep doing this for every scene. Each video prompt should describe the specific motion and camera work you want. I'll generate the rest of my scenes the same way, and I will show you later how the final video comes out. Assembling your final music video. Once all your clips are generated, bring them into your editing software. I use CapCut, but you can use whatever editor you're comfortable with. Import all your video clips and your Suno track. Drag your audio onto the timeline first. Then start arranging your video clips in an order that tells a story. The most important thing is matching your cuts to the music. When there's a beat drop or a transition in the song, that's where you cut to a new scene. This makes everything feel intentional and professional. Watch it through a few times and adjust the timing. Some clips might need to be shorter, others longer, depending on the pacing. That's what I love about this workflow. Coming from a background where I had to think through every client question, I don't like leaving results up to chance. With this, you're in control making clear decisions and directing each element to where it needs to be. The character stays consistent because we built a proper model. The scenes look cinematic because we used detailed prompts. The motion looks natural because we were specific about camera movement. And the final result looks like something that should have taken days but actually took less than an hour. Let's check it out.
I learned how to leave.
This workflow proves that even if people tell you it's impossible to create professional AI music videos, with the right tools you can bring your vision to life. And this is just the beginning. With OpenArt, you can do so much more, like make short films, ads, social media content, literally anything you can imagine. If you want to start creating music videos so good that make people ask how you did it, click the link in the description and sign up for OpenArt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.